So adjustment, extra bath. For argument's sake, we will spend $5,000 on an extra bath. So equals this minus this equals 368. Now what was different on this one? There was one less bath. So we have one more bath, so we would add. So this one is worth 5,000 less, which means this equals this plus this, and you'll see it goes, oops, what? Where does it say equal? Plus this. No, it's meant. What am I doing? No, ours is worse, so it's plus, because I was going minus on these. Sorry, it's a double negative. Sorry about this, guys. So now you have very simple way to, or example of when running comps for free, how you can make a simple adjustment. The adjustments are based on what you understand it would cost to add or remove or change the value of your house to be more comparable. You know, I have some experience, but I mean, these are very simple numbers I'm just using to give you an example. So now that we have these adjustments, I can say the adjusted value would be this plus this plus this, brackets, equal, divided by 3, boom, plus 366. So let's call this one Control C, V. And I'll tell you now, this little spreadsheet, when you just adjusted comp value, because I'm saved this and shared this link, we'll have that in there for you, all these equations, I guess. So yeah, so now we have an adjusted value, 366.33333. That is maybe a more accurate value, but hey, I'm going to wrap this up. I've been talking way too long. This is Sean with Wathcin Buys. We buy houses in Denver. We buy houses in a few different areas. We love Denver. We love Indianapolis too, as well. Indy's another great city for us. This is me, Sean, saying how, or showing you, demonstrating you with a real example of how to run comps for free. It's pretty good. I mean, I tell you what, call an agent, see what they would sell 12915 Pensacola Place for. Actually, I'll tell you what, let's take a look. What does Zillow, what is Realtor.com 12915 Pensacola Place? Now, you'll probably find these are pretty gosh darn accurate. What I'm doing here is, what is this estimate? 394,043. Where's our comp sheet? Let's make it little again. Let's just compare it just for giggles. 394,043. Zillow. And let's grab Realtor.com. Estimation right there, 374,700. Realtor.com. 374, what did we say? 700? Yeah, 700. So look, it's also pretty close, but so you can trust those estimates. They take up so much, or the realtors, they take so much information into account. So you can just boom that. I like to run it myself, and we dig down a lot more to really dig down into what the comp is, what our house is worth. You could just look at Zillow, you could just look at this estimate, or the Realtor.com estimate. to get an idea. I will say these numbers are pretty accurate too, because we were pulling comps from a few months ago. If you're in Denver, you know the Denver market is really hot right now. I might even argue if we did this property up, we could comp it or list it, heck, maybe in the 4s. Who knows? Who knows? We'll see. Well, actually, we're not selling it because, well, I'm talking to you from it. It's our east location where we buy houses from. Okay, thanks guys. Sorry I took so long on that. Maybe I'll try and redo this video in the future. But if you liked it, share it, or any of that stuff. I hope it was useful. Send me a comment. If you've got any questions, you can do that through wathcinbuyers.com. We've got contact forms all over the place. Instead of putting your address, just put the question. I don't mind. It's all good. All right. Cheers, guys. Thanks. Bye.